Hi, this is my submission for IF ecosystem project as the best contribution. My name is Abdul Samad. I am a research intern from New Delhi, India. So my application is a potential front page for the impact framework. It has a pipeline builder, which is a helper, and a community driven plugins library. So now coming on to the demo, this is the landing page, which is the pipeline builder. Now if I go to the parameters list, it contains all the canonical parameters along with the units and information. Now the plugins library page has all the different plugins, standard for the official plugins, unofficial plugins, and community built plugins. There is also the scope identifier, which allows for different implementations of same plugin keyword, like this TDP finder. Now both have same input and output parameters, but different implementations from different maintainers and hence different scopes. Now going back to the pipeline, so now let's start building a pipeline. So let's say if I add CPU energy as one of the inputs I have, and I want to utilize it in SCIE. Now SCIE has CPU energy as well as two more input parameters required, which are given here. So now let's try adding them: memory energy and network energy. And yes, so carbon is now given as an output parameter. Now what happens when I also want to get thermal design power as one of the output parameters? So it says that no matching plugin, and hence it gives the best match plugin TDP finder to do that. So let's try adding TDP finder. I will add my own implementation, and now there is one more error, that it also has a input dependency on physical processor. So now let's try adding that, and then boom, all of this is working correctly. Now what happens when I also want to add TEEDS curve as a plugin? So there is an error at CPU utilization, but there is no error at CPU thermal design power, which is required by TEEDS curve but is not present in inputs. So for that we have to check the details of both plugins. So TDP finder has a CPU thermal design power as an output, while TEEDS curve has CPU thermal design power as an input. So since this pipeline is ordered from top to down, so CPU thermal design power is being passed from TDP finder to TEEDS curve. If I interchange their positions, now both of them will give the error. But if I change them back, TEEDS curve down the order, now it will get this parameter from TDP finder implicitly. So this covers the demo of my application. Thank you.